how to edit and change language on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it and change it. First open your browser and then type here and then click this one, my profile, and here we'll find edit profile, and here we'll find language. Now just click on it and you can select any language you want here, and after that just click this button here, save in the bottom corner, click on it, and after that go back, and that's it. It will be saved, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.